In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove the Docusign watermark from your documents. Whether you're using Docusign for business, educational purposes, or personal projects, removing watermarks can be crucial for presenting a clean and professional final document. Follow along, and I'll guide you through each step to ensure your documents look pristine and watermark-free. To begin, the first step is to head over to the Docusign website. Open your preferred web browser and type in the URL for Docusign, which is easy to remember. Simply enter Docusign into your search engine or directly input the site address if you remember it. Once you're there, ensure you're logged into your account so you can access all the necessary settings. Next, you'll need to navigate to the Admin section. You'll find the Admin tab somewhere on the homepage after logging in, often towards the top of the screen. Clicking on it will take you to the administrative dashboard where you have access to a range of features and settings for your account's management. From this dashboard, look for the Signing Settings option. This is where you'll configure various signature-related settings, including the watermark settings we need today. Click on Signing Settings to move yourself closer to watermark freedom. Once you're in Signing Settings, search for the section labeled Watermark Configuration. It's easy to spot and likely located amongst other related settings. Clicking on it will lead you to settings specifically designed for watermark management. In Watermark Configuration, there is one crucial option you need to adjust. Look for a checkbox next to Apply Watermarks to Documents that are still in progress. By default, this might be checked, meaning watermarks are added automatically to work-in-progress documents. All you need to do here is make sure this box is unchecked. Unchecking it will ensure that no watermarks are applied during the signing process, which ensures your documents remain as clean as possible until they are finalized. Finally, don't forget to save your changes. You'll typically find the Save button at the bottom of the window or panel you're currently editing. Clicking Save locks in all of the adjustments you've made today. It's an essential step because it ensures that the changes you made will apply to all future documents you manage through Docusign. And there you have it. You've successfully removed the Docusign watermark from all your documents. This simple process will help keep your documents looking professional and presentable. Thank you for following along, and be sure to check out other helpful videos for optimizing your digital documents.